High five. High five, high five. Okay, give me the paddle, Mr. Arturo. Okay, so now we're gonna try to learn today how to do the backstroke. It's your first time, you don't know how to do the backstroke. So first things for the backstroke, do I have to sit in the water or do I need to lie like I'm sleeping on the lie down? Okay, don't sit. If you sit, your butt gonna sink inside the water, then it's very hard. Okay, so we try to do the backstroke from here to me. What you do, you push on the wall with your legs, you try to look at the sky lying down and put your belly up on the surface. For example, I'm here. After I push, I look up with my head, I keep my belly up and I kick fast with my legs. When you kick on the backstroke, don't bend your knees, keep your legs straight and kick near to the surface. Okay, buddy? Try to be more relaxed. You go one by one, I see what you can do. No need to use your hand. Just push, look at the sky, kick fast. Ready? I go. Kick. Not bad actually. High five. Allez Batman, c'est parti. Go. Backstroke. Stop. Slowly when you push. There you sink. See, you're sitting. Alright, but you are in trouble because when you push in the sky, so after you're gonna fall down in the water and then your belly is not up, your belly is sinking. Don't sit, put your belly up, lying on the back, look at the sky, belly up. There you go, that's the position, here, okay? And when you push, don't push to the sky, push behind, huh? Allez Arthur, à toi. It's okay. Arthur, slowly when you push, remember? Go. Pousse derrière. Okay, kick faster, look at that. Okay, look, not too bad, but you're still sinking your belly. Try to go a bit higher here, your head a bit more up to the sky, okay? If the water go on your face, blow your nose. All right, let's go, buddy. Mr. Green, you try again. Push, line back, look at the sky. Push slowly, no need to go fast. Try to find your balance. Kick fast, belly up. Belly up. Okay. Try to be more relaxed. You're very tense, okay? The more you relax, the more you will float, huh? Allez, Batman. It's your turn. Don't push to the sky. Push slowly and behind. And then kick. Belly up. There you go. Relax. Yeah, that's good. Don't go so crazy. Try to relax more, okay? Find the balance. Horizontal balance. Ok, Arturo. Let's go. Et pousse doucement, vas-y. Doucement. Vas-y, tape tes pieds à fond. Ah, c'est pas mal. High five. Not too bad, Arthur. Allez, again. Let's go, Mr. Green. Show me one more time.
I went to Thailand today. I just came back from Thailand.
Oh, yeah? Oh, that's amazing.
And then I was swimming for 7 days.
Oh, wow.
What's the best?
Show me how you can do your backstroke with your legs. Allez, go. Kick. There you go. Faster kick. Ah, you're sitting. You see what's happening? You're sitting step by step. To don't sit, push your belly to the surface, okay? And when the water go in your face, blow your nose. If not, the water go inside your nose. That's painful, remember? All right. Allez, mister. Stop. Slowly kick. No, you're sitting all the way. Not good. Try again. Push and don't sit when you push. When you push, you put your belly to the sky. Come on. Push. Push with your feet and belly up. Up your head. There. Up your belly. There you go. And don't sink after. Just keep going, okay? If when you start to sit, it's already over. You need to lie on your back. Arthur, à toi. Tu pousses et tu montes le ventre à la surface de l'eau. Dépêche. Vas-y. Ready? Push slowly and your belly up to the sky immediately. Belly up, kick. There you go. Kick. C'est bien, Arthur. Nice job. Good job. High five. Allez, Mr. Green. Show me. Your turn. Belly up immediately. Remember? You push slowly and your belly up. And belly up. Kick. Belly up. Allez, up. There you go. Keep going. Belly up. Relax your arms. You can use your hands to move a little bit on the side. All right, Mr. Batman, it's your turn. On the back. Push and don't sit, remember? Push and kick. Don't sit. Don't sit. Look up. Look up. Your head's up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Up, up, up. You're sitting. Up, up, up your belly. All right. Stop to sink your belly. Okay, bud? Allez, Arturo. Go. Oh. Okay, not bad, not bad. Don't bend your knees so much. Try to kick with your legs more straight, okay? Show me your kick. There you go. Up belly, up belly. There you go. Good boy. Okay. All right, so guys, the backstroke now you can use your hands. Remember, for the backstroke we do the same thing, and in the same time you can use your hands. So what we're gonna do now is to learn with only one hand. So let's say Arthur push on the wall. He's on the back like this. Look at the sky, belly up, kick, 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 kick. Okay, that's Arthur. Now you can use only one hand. So this hand is pulling back. Look, you go in the sky, you touch your ears with your shoulders. Boom, you pull in the water. You go in the sky, touch your ears, pull in the water. In the same time, you continue your kick. Okay? So you can swim your backstroke now with only one hand in the sky. Touch your ears, pull. Go ahead, keep going. There, and your kick. Show me your kicks, Arthur. Kick. There. Voilà. Kick plus one hand only. Okay, guys? So you pull inside the water, you go back in the sky. Arthur, tu essayes en premier? Yeah, you change this one first. Left hands first. Slowly, Arthur, go. Push. Hey, move your hands. Wrong side, wrong side, wrong side. The other side. This is backstroke. It is not freestyle. You have to move your hands on the other side and freestyle. Okay, good job. All right, Mr. Green, you try. Go. Go inside. You swim with these hands, remember? On the other side, so you go like this. Allez, up. Push, kick, and move your hands. One hand. The other side, my friend, like this. Sky touch. Sky touch. Kick faster. Belly up. You're sinking your belly. And there. Now, deep sky, deep sky, deep sky. And your belly up and your legs up. You have to be flat, yeah? Allez, we try again. Batman, c'est parti. You try. Let's go. Okay. Push on the wall. Kick, belly up. Move your hands, these hands. Touch. Touch. Belly up, Batman. Belly up. There you go. Belly up. Nice, Batman. All right, good job. Excellent. Relax more, okay? Allez, Arthur, à ton tour. Si tu veux, tu peux faire l'autre main, ouais. Allez, en arrière la main, c'est pas en avant. Allez, vas-y. Pousse, monte le ventre, tape des pieds. Et dans l'autre sens, c'est parti. Allez, go. On pousse dans l'eau. On touche l'oreille. On tape des pieds. C'est très bien, mon gars. Allez, hop. Très bien, c'est pas mal. N'oublie pas que c'est en arrière qu'on va la main, ok? Oui. Allez. Mr. Green, your turn. Let's go. Try on the other side. Show me, show me. Slowly, huh? You don't sink your butt, right? Push, kick, and move your hands. Let's go. Let's go. Kick, 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 kick. Belly up, move your hands. The other side. Pull, pull, pull. Excellent. Pull, pull. Wow. High five. Not too bad. Hey guys. Remember, if the water goes on your face while you do backstroke, the water will go in your nose, huh? So you need to blow your nose. Okay? So the water doesn't go inside. Okay, be careful. Your turn, bud. Allez. You push, belly up, and move your hands. Push with your legs first. Allez, push. And c'est parti. Go, pull. Faster, pull. The other side. Big backstroke is on the back side, huh? Hey, belly up. Why your belly is so deep? Okay. Stop to sink your belly. You cannot swim if your belly sinks, remember? Guys. Hey, let me tell you, the backstroke, your hands doesn't go like this on the front crawl. It's on the other side. It's from the water behind your head. From the water, put your hand behind your head, okay? Yes, it's backstroke, so you go on the back side, all right? You cannot swim backstroke if you do the front side. It's impossible. All right, let's go, Arthur. Yeah, okay, let's go. Belly up, push on the wall, huh? C'est parti. Allez, yes Arthur. Allez, kick faster. Deeper your hands. Go deeper. Yes. Allez, go kick. Nice Arthur. Very good, buddy. That was a good one. Allez, Mr. Green. Mr. Green. It's your turn, Mr. Green. Let's go. And back stroke. Go. Move your hands behind. Yes, behind. Yes, belly up, my friend. Belly up. Kick faster. Kick faster. Kick faster. Don't sink your belly. All right, good job. High five. Excellent. This is great. Batman, are you ready? Let's go, Batman. And top. Push. Look, when you start, you hold the wall with 2 hands. Then you push, okay? Allez, push. And belly up. Good. 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 Go touch your ears with your shoulders. Do big stroke. Touch your ears. Pull in the water. Go up to the sky. Touch your ears with your shoulders. Pull in the water. Okay? So do big movements, huh? All right, Arturo, à ton tour. C'est parti. Go. Nice, Arturo. Woo, look at the Arturo. Wow. Ok, excellent. Eh, t'as tout compris, toi, hein? C'est cool. Ça prend vite, hein? Okay, guys, listen. We are almost finished for the backstroke. Look at this. The real backstroke is not only one hand, actually. You can move 2 hands. Yes, I know. It goes faster, right? So you do one hand, and after you pull, you do the other hand. Touch your ears, pull. Touch your ears, pull. Touch your ears, pull. So instead of only one hand, you will do both. 1, 2, 3. And you do the same. You do the kicks. Your belly up under your face. You're lining back, okay? And your arms are swimming in opposite direction. If one hand is up, the other one is down. When this one go deep, this one will go up. When this one is back, this one is strong. So you are opposite arms. Who wanna try first? You wanna try, Arturo? Okay, let's go. I will help you. Okay. So both hands, huh? One after one. It's like freestyle, but on the other side. Okay, Arturo, go. Okay, 1, 2, wow, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done, my friend. Super. Allez, à toi, Mr. Green. Let's go. In the water first. In the water. We do both hands, right? Allez, let's go. Show me how you do. Belly up, kick first. Hey, move your hand behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way in the water. 6. Belly up. 7, 8. Don't stop your hands. You need to maintain your belly under your face. If you sink or sit, it's not working anymore, okay? Because the real one, I will not hold your head, right? Okay. Batman, let's try. Both hands. Allez, push on the wall. Line back. Don't sit, don't sit, don't sit. And move. One after one. You're sitting here in the water. It's not good. You have to look at the sky, belly up. There you go. Then pull with your hands. Keep the position. Pull one by one. Don't sit, don't sit. Keep it up. One by one. Allez, one hand after one hand. Look, simple. Stay where you are. Right and left and right and left and right. Okay? Non-stop. Show me. Allez, go. Okay, one first. Ready? Touch your ears. 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 Good. Allez, don't stop. Pull in the water. Each stroke needs to pull inside the water. It's not only moving your hand. It's actually pulling inside the water. Okay? Alright. Arthur, tu essaies une dernière fois? Vas-y. And let's go. Push. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, buddy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't sink. You keep your speed, you don't sink. We try, look way back. Let's go. Allez. Allez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Eh ben c'est pas mal. Not too bad for the first time. High five, bud. Okay, guys, for today it's over. to practice more backstroke next time, huh? Remember, this belly doesn't sit. We don't sit, we line back. We look at the sky, we relax, we touch the ears with your hands. And it's not freestyle, it's on the other side, right? Who won a balloon today?
Yeah!
Okay.
C'est le retour pour